Hi guys! Welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make faceless YouTube automation videos with AI. This will be a step-by-step tutorial so it will be easy to follow through. Let's dive right in! To get started, the first thing we're gonna need is a script. The script will serve as the backbone of our video. We'll be using a chatbot called ChatGPT in creating our script. Once in ChatGPT, what we're gonna do is type here what we want. So, create me a script for a YouTube video that is facts about the solar system. Just click enter and it will create our script in a matter of seconds. It even has a transition visual guide. Now that we have our script, we'll be using a voice AI generator to narrate our script through voiceover. We're gonna be using Clipchamp. Clipchamp is one of the most underused software with AI that is completely free. Once in Clipchamp, click on Create a New Video and under Record and Create on the left side, select Text to Speech. We can just now play around with the voices available. We can also customize the language, voice style, pitch, or speed of the speech. Let's copy the intro from the prompted script in ChatGPT and paste it over here. Let's customize it a bit to my liking. Once it's done, let's hear how it sounds and save it for later.
Hey there, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a journey through the cosmos and explore some mind-blowing facts about our very own solar system.
To save it, we have to drag the audio over the timeline and on the upper right corner, click Export and choose the quality you want it to be saved as. Editing is actually pretty easy and can be done in 5 to 10 minutes. Now for video editing, we'll be using CapCut as it is very popular right now, free and also easy to use. You can always choose any software you would like to if you have access to them. But for now, let's go into CapCut. Once in CapCut, create a new project and import the audio we have saved or exported earlier. Once the AI narrated audio is imported, drag them into the timeline and right-click to separate audio and delete the black screen clip from the timeline. This is because the AI voice we just did on Clipchamp can only be exported as an MP4 and not an audio file or MP3. It automatically has a black clip as its visual. And now, here we have our audio.
Hey there, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel.
The next step is to fill our video with visuals. In filling your video with clips, there are numerous websites you can get free stock footage from. You can go to Pixabay, Pexels, FreePic, and such. There are now many resources online that are now for free, and make sure to use them as much as you can. Now what we're going to look for is content of stock videos that have a connection to my topic, which is solar system, and download them and drag or import them to my media folder in CapCut. Looking for footage can just take around 5 minutes, or if you are meticulous and want to find more than what you need, it would probably take you much longer. But that's not a problem at all. It is really easy to find clips. For example, since the solar system is my topic, I can search up for planets, the Milky Way, the sun, the space, and many more. Now let's go back to my project on CapCut. And as you can see, I downloaded plenty of stock videos about solar system. Now what we'll do is to combine or shorten the stock videos to make a clean and sleek looking video. Also make a pattern that would suit the narration of the AI. Now what we want is to retain our audience's attention. And to do that, we can have our videos change every 3 to 5 seconds so that our audiences will be intrigued and constantly be getting fed with new visuals. Now let's watch it to see if they fit together perfectly.
Hey there, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel.
The next step is to have a short intro in the beginning as we have heard from the narration.
Hey there, space enthusiasts!
To create an intro, we can use Canva. Once in Canva, type in YouTube video intro and then enter. There are a lot of templates available here and pick one that suits your video, like this, and then click Customize Template. Now, pick out a stock footage available as the background and shorten the video here for about 5 seconds and edit out the text if necessary. Download and again import to the project in CapCut. Once satisfied, We can now add text to our video so it will be easy to understand. Go to the text listed on the upper left, select Auto Captions on the left side, and select Create. One of the good reasons to use CapCut is it enables us to auto-create captions so we don't have to type and time them manually onto our video. Now, you don't have to put captions to the entire video. You can just add captions to the important parts of the video to show emphasis. By clicking on the text in the timeline, on the right side of your screen, you can actually customize the text easily according to your liking. Now it is kind of dull and boring just hearing the narration in our video. We can add background music just by using royalty-free audio we can look for online, such as in Pixabay and Artlist. You just have to pick something that matches the mood and theme of your video. There are already audios we can use in CapCut. Let's just look for one that suits our video. Once you're done choosing, drag them into your timeline and bring down the volume of the audio a bit so it won't overpower the narrated AI voice. So now you can play with it some more. You can edit or add AI voice, delete or adjust your videos, add more text, and etc. The last step in uploading a video to YouTube is creating a thumbnail and choosing the title. For the title, you can decide on your title once you're done choosing your topic. We're going to be using the AI called Blue Willow to create the thumbnail for us. They are actually on Discord, so firstly, you need to have a Discord account, and once you have it, on your browser, search Blue Willow AI. Click Try Now for free and fill out what it requires. You can just put your Discord email address so it'll directly send an invite to your Discord account and join their server. Now what we're gonna do is type here various words that are connected to our video. So for example, imagine planets, solar system, sun, and space. AR3x2 is the size of the image I wanted. Let's now choose which one perfectly describes our prompt. Wait for it to release the high quality version of your chosen image, right click, and save the image. Let us now add text to it by using Canva, so it'll be more appealing to watch. Once in Canva, search YouTube thumbnail and choose the template that suits your video. Once you have chosen a template, customize the template and upload or drag the image you saved a while ago from Blue Willow AI. Put its position to the back and edit the text the way you want. Here ends our tutorial. To summarize this video, you can use ChatGPT to create a script for your video. Use Clipchamp to have AI narrate your script. Edit your video using CapCut and get your stock footage or clips from online, such as in Faceless or Pixabay. Blue Willow on Discord can help you generate an image for a thumbnail. Use Canva to create video intros and edit thumbnails. And lastly, there are things that you have to do by yourself. I hope this video helps you understand everything about creating a YouTube video with AI. Give this video a big like, share it with your friends, and leave your comments and questions down below. Subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials like this and ring the notification bell to keep you updated. This has been Tech Tricks Tutorial. We'll see you again soon.